If you're using Microsoft Office, here's an important update. Microsoft has released an emergency security patch for a critical Office zero-day vulnerability that's already being exploited in active attacks. This means hackers are currently using this weakness to target users. The security flaw is identified as CVE 2024-21509 and is categorized as a security feature bypass problem in Microsoft Office. While I don't have Office installed locally and use the web version instead, this vulnerability impacts multiple Office versions, including Microsoft Office 2016, Office 2019, Office LTSC 2021, Office 2024, and Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise. Here's how this security issue operates. A hacker can craft a malicious Word document, Excel file, or other Office file. When you open that file, harmful code executes, potentially allowing the attacker to access your computer, view your files, or deploy malicious software. Microsoft has already fixed the problem for Microsoft 365 apps and Office LTSC 2021 and 2024 through a server-side patch. However, if you're using any of these Office versions, I recommend closing and reopening Office, or restarting your device entirely, to ensure the update takes effect quickly. Additionally, I suggest navigating to your Windows settings, then Windows Update, then Advanced Options, and enabling the toggle for Receive Updates for other Microsoft products. This ensures you get patches for additional apps and services alongside Windows updates. Keep this enabled for several days to guarantee you receive this critical update promptly. This same option is available in Windows 10's Advanced Options section. Important note, Office 2016 and Office 2019 haven't received their security patches yet. Microsoft states that updates for these versions will be released as quickly as possible. Since attackers are actively exploiting this zero-day flaw, Microsoft strongly advises installing available updates right away and avoiding files from questionable sources. To summarize, there's a critical Office zero-day vulnerability currently being exploited. Ensure your Office installation is updated immediately. That's all for this security alert. Stay safe, keep your software updated, and be cautious with files from unknown sources. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.